Hello, dear class 7 students. We are in the chapter 15 light, second part today, clear? So we'll continue with our second part of the chapter, and let's recall very quickly what we have done like yesterday, clear, what we have learned. So we have learned so far about the reflections, about the plane mirror, and also I have given an example, right, and also a story between a lion and a rabbit, right? So rabbit outsmarted the lion. Clear? So today we'll be starting with the next topic, that is spherical mirror. Okay? Spherical mirror, depending on the surface, we have two types. Okay? Concave mirror and convex mirror. So to let you understand more better, I'll give you an example. Okay? So you can take example of a tennis ball. Okay? Tennis ball. It will be just tennis ball. Clear? So this is a tennis ball, but you have to imagine that this is a glass. Okay, a glass. Now, if the reflecting surface is curved inwards, okay, this one mirror, as you all know, in order to see our own image, it has to be coated with an aluminum or any like silver, right? So if the reflecting surface is this one, clear? So this means the inward is the reflecting surface because this is a part of the mirror. And now in this case, the reflecting surface is the outside, clear? Because we have coated, let's coat with silver, okay? Because that's the most common one. Okay, so in this spherical glass shape, we have two reflecting surface, clear? One is outside and one is curving inwards, clear? So now if you cut this one into two parts, you'll have two types of mirror, right? So I have a small example to show you. If you cut this one, clear? That means it will be like this, right? And if this one, it will be in this way, right? See, you can just have a look at this one, clear? So now, in case of the first type, let's write the first one will be convex mirror, okay? Convex mirror. So here, the reflecting surface is outward, right? So this one will be the reflecting surface. So in this case, this one, here it will be coated, clear? See. So this one will be reflecting surface. Light will come here and it will reflect here. So that means the reflecting surface is bulging outwards. It's outward. Clear? Now in case of concave mirror, okay? Concave mirror. In case of concave mirror, the reflecting surface will be inward. Clear? So this means the inward, see, it's different, right? So this is facing towards the light, and here will be a coating. Clear? So I'm sure you are now clear with these two type of mirror. So spherical mirror, if the reflecting surface is a part of this sphere, then it is called spherical mirror. But depending on the surface, we have two types. Convex mirror, that means this part, okay? This part. This is the convex mirror, and then concave mirror is this part. So I'm sure now you're clear with these two type of mirror. Now we'll study example and also what type of image do we see like in concave mirror and convex mirror. Clear? Okay. Okay, so now we'll see some difference between the concave and convex mirror. The first one, you can write the difference, definition, okay? Definition, which I have explained just now. The reflecting surface is outward, bulging outward, right? And here, the first point you can write, the reflecting surface is curving inwards, right? So that's an assignment, you can write it. And now the second one, Now, the second one, under a concave mirror, we'll study a type of image which we see, okay? In concave mirror, we can see an inverted image or as well as inverted and erect image. Clear? These two type of image we can see like in concave mirror. And as given in your textbook, they have given an activity. Clear? So you have to know this one, how you get inverted image, how you get an erect image. You just from the kitchen you can take one metal spoon, okay, a metal spoon. So a spoon means like this, okay, but this is not a metal one, but just to show you an example, you have to take a metal spoon. And then concave mirror means the reflecting will be this side, right? So what you can do is that you can just observe, okay? You can just bring it close to you, and then you can take it far, and then you see. When you bring it very close to you, the metal spoon, okay? When you bring it very close to you, the image that you'll see is erect. Clear? But when you take the mirror far away, the image that you'll see is an inverted. You'll see everything inverted. And so these are the two types of image that is possible in a concave mirror, right? But now what about the convex mirror? In convex mirror, you'll see only an erect image. Erect image. Clear? This is the basic difference, okay? In concave mirror, there is two possibility. When you bring the mirror very close to you, you'll see an erect image. But when you take the mirror very far, okay, students, very far, you'll see an inverted image. Now, in convex mirror, you'll only see an erect image. Clear? You'll only see an erect image of a diminished size. And this also you can do now, okay, a metal spoon, okay, a steel spoon. This side will be the reflecting surface. If this side is the reflecting surface, means this is the convex mirror, right? In this type of image, you'll only see an erect image. You will never see an inverted image. You can try that, okay? You can try this experiment as it is also given in your textbook, in your activity for the light chapter. So you can try this activity at home. Clear? Take a metal spoon and you try, you see from both the sides, okay? So this is, once again, this is, if the light is coming towards from here, if this is the concave mirror and this is the convex mirror. Clear? So in convex mirror, you'll only see this erect image. Clear? Okay, now let's see some examples, okay? Where do we use this concave mirror and where do we use this convex mirror? So the example of concave mirror would be in the headlight of the car, okay? The headlight of car. In the headlight of a car, if this is the light, okay? If this is the light, that means it is reflecting towards this inwards. Clear? So the first one example would be in the headlight of the car. The second example will be the mirror used by a dentist. Clear? The mirror used by a dentist. Now the third example would be shaving mirror. Okay, shaving mirror. Shaving mirror. Shaving mirror. Okay? In the headlight of the car, a mirror used by a dentist, and a shaving mirror. So these are some examples of a concave mirror. Okay? Okay, so now I'm sure you are very clear with the concave mirror, class 7 students. I know you all are very smart students. Now you are clear with concave, that is, the reflecting surface is curved inwards. Okay, keep this in mind, curved inwards. Now let's see some examples related with convex mirror, okay? Examples, okay, the most common example for this convex mirror would be the rear view mirror, okay? Have you ever observed maybe when your dad, okay, or maybe your mom, or maybe your bus driver, okay, when they try to reverse the car, they look to the side mirror, right? The rear view mirror of the car. And have you ever tried looking at that mirror? You see everything, the wider field of view, right? So what type of image do you see? You always see an erect image, right? Or do you see everything inverted? You see an erect image, right? And everything is projected in a wider field of view, right? So you can write rear view mirror, okay? Convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in a vehicle, in a car. So I'm sure now you are clear with this one. And in exam, if they ask you, name the mirror, okay, which gives you a wider field of view, then it will be convex mirror. Clear? So now I'm sure you're clear with this concave mirror, convex mirror. If you're clear with this, we'll go to our next topic that will study the real image and the virtual image in detail. Clear? The real image and the virtual image will study those two types of image in detail. Okay, students, now we'll study a real image and a virtual image. Okay, these are the two types of image which can be seen, and we'll study these two in details, real and virtual. Okay, in our last class we have studied about the plane mirror, right? Plane mirror means planes. You will not feel anything like that is going inside or that is bulging outward. That will be plain and smooth surface or the mirror that you use at home. Clear? So on that type of mirror, you see a virtual erect, right? You see a virtual erect. So we can write under virtual image, we can write plane mirror, okay? Plane mirror. Plane mirror, because in a plane mirror, we see a virtual erect image. Clear? Now, as we have studied convex mirror. Convex mirror gives you an erect image, right? Convex mirror gives you an erect image. So erect image are always virtual. Clear? Erect image are always virtual. So we can also write now convex mirror. Now what about concave mirror? Concave mirror will also give you a virtual erect image, right? Because when you bring the spoon, okay, very close to you, and the spoon which is curving like inwards, if you bring it very close to you, you'll see a virtual erect, right? So we can write here concave mirror. Okay, so this virtual image we can get from three types of mirror: plane, convex, concave, right? But what about this real image? Real image, it is possible. Real image means you always have to remember real, inverted, virtual, erect. Clear? Real, inverted, virtual, erect. So real image means it is inverted. And this type of image is possible only in concave mirror. In concave mirror. Clear? When you take the spoon far away, you'll see an inverted image. And that is possible only when the mirror is curving inward. Clear? Now, second important thing about real image is real image can be projected in a screen. Clear? Whereas virtual image cannot be projected in a screen. Clear? Now, let's say concave mirror can be projected in a screen. Clear? Now, let's say this is a mirror, okay? This is a mirror, and then this is a mirror, and then if we have a screen here, this is a screen. Clear? This is a screen. And this is a concave mirror. Concave mirror. Clear? Now, if you keep, let's take example candle. Let's take a wax candle. Okay, this is a candle. This is a candle. Clear? Candle. Now, if you keep the candle like very far away, clear? That means that's an inverted image, right? So that image is possible. You'll see the inverted image on the screen. Clear? So inverted image can be projected in the screen. Or in other words, real image can be projected in a screen. You'll see this image. Now this is a mirror, concave mirror, and this is a candle, and you'll see the image in the screen. But if you bring the candle very close to the concave mirror, then what happens? It becomes a virtually erect, right? So virtual erect image will not project in the screen. Clear? So that is the difference. Now, if we have a convex mirror, okay? If we have a convex mirror here, if this is a convex mirror, and if this is a screen, clear? If this is a screen, and if you keep the candle here, will it? Now this is a mirror, okay? This is a convex mirror, and this is a candle. Now the image would not project in the screen. Clear? Now the image will not project in the screen. So this is the difference. So now the second point under real image, you can write that this real image can be projected in a screen, whereas the virtual image will not project in the screen. Clear? So you should be clear with 2 points. In concave mirror, in real image, concave mirror will give us a real image. Clear? But virtual image here, we can get from the plane mirror, convex mirror, and concave mirror. And the second, very important, which I've discussed just now, is real image can be projected in a screen, whereas virtual image will not project in a screen. Clear? But even real image, who gives real image? Concave mirror, right? When we keep the object, okay, when we keep the candle far away, only it is possible in the screen. Because if we bring the candle very close to the concave mirror, they give us a virtual erect image. And virtual erect image does not project in the screen. Clear? So let's recall what we have learned so far today. Clear? We have studied about the spherical mirror. If the reflecting surface is a part of that hollow sphere, then it is a spherical mirror, right? And depending upon the surface, it can be of 2 types, concave mirror and convex mirror, right? So I've given a difference between a concave mirror and convex mirror, right? So this one, concave. This one, convex. Clear? Here, this is the light reflecting, okay? Light is reflecting on the curve inwards, right? Inward. And then here, the curve is outward. So that is the difference. So we have studied 2 types of spherical mirror, concave, convex, and what type of image we can see from those 2 types. Clear? And also we have seen examples, different examples, and examples are very important because they are oftenly asked in exam, okay? So in concave, I have given concave mirror we can use in the headlight of the car. It's used by a dentist, as a shaving mirror, as it is used even in a solar furnace also it is used. Clear? And in convex mirror, everything, wider field of view it gives us. So the most common one, often asked an example in exam, is used as a rear view mirror in a car. Clear? Okay, so we'll wind up from here for today, but the activity that I'm going to leave you is the activity which is given in your text. Clear? Take a metal spoon, okay, and then observe that. You can bring it very close, you can bring it very far. Clear? And then you can look from both the side, from the curving inwards and curving outward, and see your observation. That is the homework, okay? And I'm sure you all will do. Clear? Thank you so much. See you in the next class.